Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the month of May and how the price of gold can move in the month of June 2024. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of $2345.12, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Two things that you have to understand: that gold after 2020 is moving in this range. As soon as the range breakout happens, what we have seen, it has crossed a level of 2152 and made a high of around $2452. This is the high what we have seen, and I have categorically told you that there is a doji candle forming. As you can see looking at this particular chart, there is a from 3 months there is a continuous upside and high, because this level we have not seen since around 10 or 12 years. Even you can say we have not seen since it's an all-time high. 2-3 times it has hit. This was the first time, the second time, third time and fourth time what we have seen, it has gone above this level. Okay, if you look at the dollar index also, it is also going on the upper side, but it is in the range. I'll show you, but this is the range. A U pattern is forming. After that, these similar U patterns being formed. Okay, this is around from 2000 and 2010 to a level of 2020. This is what we have seen for 10 years. After that, this is a 2-year pattern, 8 months pattern, and this is around 4-5 months pattern. Now from 3 months it is continuously on the upside. Now what we can see, let's see how the dollar index is moving. This is a month chart. Okay, and this is the U pattern is forming, and a probability is higher that as soon as the price started going above a level of 106.5 at this level, which is already being weak resistance, and probability will be higher, it can cross a level of 107. And once the price started crossing this level, a further upside movement we can see, and from there it will cross a level of around $111, and from there a level of around 113 we can see, and then further upside movement. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what you can see, the gold is trading at a level of 2344. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, suppose if the price sustain this level, it can move towards a level of $26. Okay, and once the price started going up that particular level, chance of touching a level of 2456 we can see. Okay, and after that a further upside movement. Why I'm showing you this monthly chart, because you have to understand looking at this particular chart that as soon as the price started going above this level, a further upside movement we can see. Again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of around 2426, and once started going above that level, we can see it can touch a level of $2456. And once started going above a level of 2456, we can see it can touch a level of 2470 and a probability of going towards 2490. And if it's sustaining above that level, it can cross a level of 2500. You have to keep it in mind. See, if you look at the dollar index, what it is trying to show, a U pattern is forming. So if the price started going above a level of 106.5, that is where it will go high, but then the price of the gold can move further low. But if the price started going below a level of 104, and then a probability is higher that it can cross a level of 103 also, and once started moving below that particular level, a further fall we can see. And as soon as the price of dollar index started falling, we can see the gold price can move further upside. Okay, now if we look at the particular chart, because see, market is always uncertain. If you look at the volatility even in this candles, you can see it has made around $100 movement in a particular month. Okay, so if it's, see, suppose if it didn't sustain, because see, market is always uncertain. So if you're keeping your SL, that will be saving your capital, and if you're trailing your SL, once you start in profit, these will save your profit. These two things you should be doing. So let's see if the price didn't sustain, what we can see. Suppose the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $2278. Okay, this is a monthly chart I'm showing you. If started going below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of $2232. Once the price started moving below that particular level, the next support coming at a level of 2148. Okay, and then a further fall we can see, which is a very strong support coming at a level of around 2086. Okay, and if the price started falling below that particular level, a further fall we can see, which is coming at a level of around 2017. And if that level move further low, a further fall we can see towards a level of around $2008. And if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see. There is a less probability that we can see it can fall below level of 2100, because we have seen this is, but as we know that the result is going to come for the US election is coming, so volatility can be high. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.